Hello, mabuhay! Welcome to Dominicos, where the land of peace and order and the calmness of the place will take you to heaven.
Kasi isa lang pala.
Titikman.
Mamaya makita na naman ng ano.
Let's go.
Makita na naman nila kayo kung nakasama ko si Jeremy.
Yes, kuya. This way. Ay, iyot. Hi guys! So beautiful in here.
It's so beautiful in here, you know, the calmness of the place, the most
Ay,
beautiful.
iyot! Ay!
Serene as possible.
Are you fish?
Fish feed.
Yeah. The middle of the
Okay,
night.
let's take that.
In the middle of the night.
Let's take that, please.
Am I doing it right? The vlogging.
So, nasan yung main character natin? Nandun na.
Di ba may aratan?
Wala, mamay diya dito.
So we're now here inside the cafe and we're gonna try it today. Demure lang tayo dahil bawal mag-ingay. Because this is a library-inspired cafe.
Hi po.
Pero parang kulang kasi talaga. Ang dami-dami na.
Kita ang pala dito. Hello po. For today's video.
Doon, dyan na lang ata. No, parang kulang tayo dito, no?
Ano yan? Eh,
Where kulang?
Ano tinidibdib mo? Ala, sorry naman yan.
paano naman yung mawalang dibdib? Saan yung pogi dyan?
Ano to? Anong bata rin mo yan?
Pati spam nila, oh. Spam na. Spam. Spam.
Ito, bata mo yan.
Brianna Jim. Charles Lapin. Corny na, corny. Okay, you go first.
Okay, I'll get 12 ounce.
Thank you, sis.
Thank you na. Just enjoy it.
Thank you, sis.
Ay, di naman ako naman.
May sinasabi sila kanina sa
Ano na
likod.
naman?
Alam mo, charot lang.
Ano sinasabi?
Happy birthday.
Ayon sa kinagandaanan natin ngayon yung drink
The vlog.
Ang nag-drink lang. Rare.
Vlog. Allah. For the YouTube.
Diba Darren?
Nag-uumot yan.
Kuya,
feeling ko kuya, kukuha naman siya ng batcha na.
Maganda yung ambience. May sarili silang pool. You could book the area.
Oh.
Nasa out ako kasi nagpalit kami ng password.
A few moments later.
Guys, yung mawawalan ng chicken ha. Meron pa dito.
Thank you, Kuya Robs. I love you.
Yes. Thank you, Kuya Rob. So guys, I love you so much.
Paris Hilton. Allen.
Enjoy ko lang yan. Ngayon lang ako magiging rabbit.
At the same house, the same people, the same faces. But different kind of food for today.
Happy Leon.
Rhea.
If you like it, we'll eat this every day. No?
Kuya Robs, the best.
Talaga ba?
Excuse me, Jonas Sofana.
Lola's recipe.
Sorry, pa.
Ang mau. Pinakabako.
Uy, may sinigang dito ha.
Review yung rice niya. Ito. Bagong kanin. Ay, bagong kanin.
Asan yung bagong kanin?
Di ba plan? Dito ko yan. Ate Budang.
Yes, lang.
You paid for this.
Thanks, RJ.
You're welcome.
Ay na, wag na kayong mag-thank you. Ano ba yan?
Galingan magkamat.
Sige, go. For the go. Sige lang.
Kamat tibak.
Kanambat. Kanambat.
Kamot ka more. Ang tulong!
Ay, budang go. Hindi ba kita ni...
Okay, kamot.
Ay, Allen. Kamsangga. Ama mo huli ako.
Yan kayo mga ramidan, budang.
Naging mas kahit ko bumagsul.
Ay, oh. Na?
Hindi mo... Katamatay ko. Yes.